Hide and seek with your dog. This is a game that I am seriously addicted to playing with Athena. All you're going to be doing is put your dog in a down stay, you hide, and then you call your dog's name here and there, not like Athena, 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 Athena till your dog finds you, but call it intermittently and then reward your dog when they find you. And then repeat. It is so much freaking fun. Okay, so putting Athena in a down stay as I back away and hide. First place is behind the bedroom door. And she found me. Next, downstay again. This time, I am hiding behind the bedroom curtain, which took her a little bit longer to find me, but eventually she busted me. I also hid on the tub ledge behind the shower curtain. Here she comes. She just has to figure out where the opening is. There we go. Found again. And lastly, on top of the washing machine. I did not say her name besides to release her at the very beginning. Aside from that, I was completely silent. And she still found me. Oh my gosh, this dog is good.